This video is about flaring wheel arches on a Mark II Jaguar. It's to show how the flaring's built up, and in this instance they've been done with tubing, and then the tubing's plated either side, top and bottom, to then give the profile. So that's what was cut out originally, because it was in there and it was rusted out, so it's chopped out and a new piece of tubing's been let in, and that'll be built up on either side. But that's how it was originally done. So you've got the U bits at the top here. That's the original bodywork that had been in there, like a channel, and then plated either side. It's quite thick tubing, considering steel tubing, but the second time round got even thicker tubing, and this is 3/4 inch diameter, so that just sits in there. It's been formed to follow the line of the wheel arch. That'll sit in there and then it'll be filled in. And this is very difficult to form. It has to be done on either a fly press or a hydraulic press to get the right angles on that. So that's the front end that's being repaired. The rest of it's okay up here, but this section will need to be done as well. So that'll be chopped out and replaced. And these arches are about an inch or so wide. And then the profile is just obtained with filler on there once they've been plated.